So working with partner banks in South Africa, we actually determined that there was a significant interest in looking at energy efficiency financing. So FSP conducted a study, a mapping study of the energy efficiency marketplace here in South Africa. Coming out of that study, what we found was this is an opportune time for banks and financial institutions to get involved in financing energy efficiency, specifically at the small business level. One thing that we found was that, number one, there is quite a bit of activity in the marketplace, but two, that the SME marketplace really hasn't been focused on.
Businesses are faced with many cash flow challenges, and trying to optimize energy efficiency is not necessarily the highest on the list, although it's becoming a very big priority. So our challenge is to try and find ways to fund those solutions over the lifespan of that equipment, such that the client's savings are, or his additional cost is very similar to what he's saving, and his incremental increases over time won't be as high as what we anticipate Eskom's increases might be.
The partnerships that were developed led to a workshop where we had over 100 attendees focused on small business lending in the energy space. Coming out of that workshop, we also then found that there were several institutions that wanted to engage with FSP specifically around things like strategy work, and also about how we could come in with risk mitigant tools to help them with the energy efficiency space.
About a year ago, we were looking quite seriously at the energy efficiency side of things. We secured a $10 million funding facility from the IFC, which is a division of the World Bank. And we were keen to roll out this loan funding, and it was specifically targeted towards energy efficiency and renewable energy.
So what FSP did was help, for example, with SASFIN, we designed a strategy that really brought in a product solution, not just a product, but the whole solution that a small business would need.
So I think the opportunity for the bank is to provide a start-to-finish end-to-end solution, from advisory to the various incentives, right through to the financing and the measurement and verification of those savings. Whereas for the client, I think the challenge is to find a bank that understands that and is willing to lend on that basis.